Woo! Yeah. Holy cow! I want to go again. I want to go again. Oh, yeah. Wow! Like I'm trying not to cry.
So, what's going on?
I have got a lot of issues, doctor. So I have, basically I have sciatica. I know that's, I have a lot of shoulder tension going on. My neck, I feel like is a little forward and I'm trying to correct it just like on my own. But yeah, but I think because of the shoulder, you know how everything is connected.
Shoulder lane.
Yeah, and then so I get back pains really easily and like my hips. I'm turning into an old lady pretty much, so.
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to, but it's happening, so I need your help.
All right, we're gonna make her young again. How young?
Forever 21.
All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna muscle test you. This is what's gonna tell us what's going on. It is on.
I have bowels, okay? Because I put deodorant.
Don't worry.
I'm nervous.
I'm usually soaked, I'm just like sweating
I
everywhere.
know, no.
Okay, so we're gonna muscle test you. We're gonna see if this is stable. So straighten this arm out, push up as hard as you can. Up, like this.
Oh, up.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
Well, see, I'm left-handed, that's why.
Okay, let's see what's going on
Just
here.
had to comment.
Push up right here.
He said that.
Uh-oh. I'm not even trying. It has to be like this.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to
Okay. Okay. Don't worry, like, let's see. Okay, I want this much more stable, okay? Okay, so we're gonna give you your first adjustment. It's gonna guide us throughout the whole visit.
Oh, okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's have you lay down face up.
Oh my gosh. Jesus,
All right.
Please be with me.
Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna adjust your ribs.
My hips.
Your ribs.
Your ribs. My ribs.
Yeah, okay. All right, just relax. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna adjust your ribs right here.
Okay.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, take a deep breath. Get it out. Wow.
Wow, that was amazing.
Wow.
That felt great.
I'm glad.
I feel like so many things cracked at once. I feel like, oh. I'm just gonna sit with that. Do that again.
On the same side.
Yeah.
Let's reverse that.
Oh my gosh, that felt so good.
Okay, you needed that. Okay.
Yeah.
And then reach over here. Okay. All right. Take a deep breath. That one's really tight.
That one's too tight.
Well, we opened it up, but I didn't give that satisfying crack because it's kind of glued together. But you'll get, but it still moves. So I'm going to show you in a bit. So come on up. I don't want to beat you up on this. Okay, we're going to muscle test this. So straighten up his arm, push up. It's much more firmer.
What? Are you putting less pressure?
No, I'm not actually pressing harder now. Push up as hard as you can.
Stop.
That's much more firm. Push up.
Just from that adjustment?
Yeah.
Gosh. So whenever I'm about to get in a fight, I'm just
Yeah.
gonna call you up so you can adjust me real quick?
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Now this arm, push up as hard as you can. Just turn it off.
What just happened? What was that? Some wizard stuff. Okay.
We can do some wizard stuff. I do that too. I learned it somewhere else, but it'll take your energy.
Really?
Yeah.
I would love that.
Okay, perfect. Because some people are like, what? Okay.
Hell yeah.
So when you first walked in, I'm gonna ask your brain, what was your energy when you first walked in? This is your aura, right?
Mhm.
Like you give it off.
Yeah.
It has to be unlimited. But let's see how much it is when you first walked in. We're gonna use the test.
Okay.
Okay, push it as hard as you can right here.
Okay.
Stops right there. So it has to be unlimited.
Okay. So it should be like.
Yeah, so as you go through the visit, we're gonna keep testing your energy. Because you give off an energy.
Yeah.
It's like a field of energy. It's like when you give someone a hug, you give them energy.
Yeah.
But if someone's toxic, they take your energy away.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check your energy,
Okay.
and we can check your emotions. Push up right here, as you can. I'm just gonna touch right here. Push up. You notice it just turns off your body. Your adrenals are overworking. Let's see. Oh my God, what's in there?
Okay.
right, here we go. So I'm gonna push your ribs down right here. Oh my goodness, there you go. Oh my.
So good.
You were living with that?
Oh my gosh. I know that one.
Here. So we're tearing up all the tissue. There you go. There you go. Oh my God.
Is it tense?
Yeah. Oh my God, what if she made that up?
Bad?
Yeah. So don't worry. So when we're tearing up tissue, it remodels the tissue. So that's why the tone of your body changes when you get adjusted. It's just tearing up all the tissue. Because you get massaged, but it won't tear up the tissue. It'll promote blood flow, which is beneficial.
Okay.
So that's why you need like all these different, like, I like massage stuff too, but like I do some of it, but the adjustment's gonna tear up the tissue.
Got it. Gets to the root of it.
Yeah. Okay, and you have a tailbone thing.
Yeah.
Let's see. Push up, push back up like this. Okay, got it. Okay.
Oh my gosh, what just happened?
Okay, let's see. Push up right here. Your sacrum, that's this bone is like rotated like this. I can't show you that. Okay. And I'm gonna contact your tailbone, and I'm just gonna see what kind of reaction it is.
Okay.
So I'm gonna push right here. Push up right here. I'm gonna pull it up, push up. It's stronger, and I pull it down, push up. And it gets weaker. So we gotta pull up your tailbone, like the ligament, up like that, push up. It's much stronger. So, all right.
Oh, that's amazing.
So there's a ligament that attaches to your tailbone. It gets damaged, and then you gotta pull it up over time.
Really? Is that why we say that?
Don't worry, we're getting in here. Okay, so you're gonna face me on this side. You're facing over here. Oh, this way.
Oh, wrong side.
Nope, other way.
Nope, okay.
Okay. All right, we gotta get your pelvis adjusted. Okay, just relax right here, then this top leg right here. Okay. Here we go. Right here.
Oh! Wow! Oh, that felt so good. I can go sleep now.
Wow.
Wow, that was like 20 cracks in just one adjustment.
I know.
Jeez.
Yeah, I think this mic is like dead right here. Another difficulty is gonna come up. Okay, so face me on this side.
Oh, my gosh.
All right, this is important. All right, here we go.
Okay.
All right, we gotta adjust your sacrums right here. There you go. Holy
Nice.
Wow. It's a lot of emotions.
Crazy how much like my body is just so out of whack.
Yeah, don't worry.
Gotta call this guy.
Okay, let's have you relax on your back. All right, so we got your pelvis adjusted. We're gonna check your emotions at the end. We gotta check your neck.
Check a neck and the jaw.
So we're gonna give you a hug real quick. So let's see.
That's just what I needed.
I know, she needs a hug bad. Push up right here, hard as you can. Oh, you need that right there.
Goodness.
Push right here. Your whole back.
Right. Goodness.
It's a lot of emotions.
Trying, I always like overthink my strength.
It's too much brain power.
I know.
Brain's about to explode. Okay.
Never mind.
Okay, so hug yourself. She needs a hug bad. I can tell. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh my God. Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out.
Wow! That was amazing. Holy cow. I needed that hug.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I feel like a sensation in my stomach right now. Is that normal?
Yeah, that's
The warmth sensation.
that area was like, it opens up like the nerves to your gut.
That was so nice.
She can go to the bathroom finally.
I know, right? All that backed up. Okay.
Yeah, she's like, back that. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we're gonna check your neck now. Okay. Actually, you're in fight or flight, so we need to release this. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So the sciatic nerve is this giant nerve, and you don't have a disc herniation, so it's because of your glutes. It's too tight. So we gotta open up your pelvis, and I can teach you some really easy things at home that you'll get huge relief from.
Okay.
I've had sciatica too. It's like the worst.
I know. It's so annoying. It's like sometimes it feels like a Charlie horse that never goes away.
Yeah. Okay, and push back right here. Okay, it turns off a little bit. I'm just gonna contact this right here and push up. Yeah, this.
I really tried.
Push back right here. Yeah, everything is in fight or flight right now. So.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't worry.
I don't think, like, it's so funny you say that because, like, mentally I'm fine, but apparently, like, my body's in fight or flight.
Yeah, it's because you work really hard and you have all these past emotions, like they all build up in your subconscious. So, like, even if you're like having a great time, it's just like subconscious in your body. And I'm gonna show you that at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, what leg does sciatica go down?
Left, yeah.
This one right here? All right, let's see. We're gonna use a machine on it actually.
Okay.
And then we're gonna release it at the same time.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
And it goes through clothes, don't worry.
No, it's fine, yeah.
Okay, the laser goes through microfibers. So like, you know vitamin D, it's from the sun, right?
Yeah.
So when that light goes on your skin, it goes on receptors, vitamin D receptors in your skin, and it helps with bone density and your immune system.
Mm-hmm.
So this light, it's like a red light, but it's deeper than the red light therapy that you see everywhere.
Yeah.
It goes right through the bones and muscles and goes inside the cells. So, so like it recovers your cells really fast, basically.
That's so interesting.
So you can use it on your brain because it's low powered, but it can go into the cells safely.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be Einstein after this.
Okay, so let's see. We're just gonna do this a little bit. Okay. Guess I'll put this. I guess I'll put this right here without covering everything. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you're not gonna feel anything. This is just gonna go inside yourself. But in the brain one, you kind of can feel energy in here. Okay. All right, so we're gonna release your sciatic nerve here, right here. It's like right there. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. I'm gonna release it like that. Let me know if it's too painful.
Oh. This is how you release it?
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with the ball.
Shoot. Oh.
I'm teaching you all the secrets today.
Can you feel the tension? Or the
Yeah, it's super tense.
Yeah, oh my god.
Like the muscles are definitely pushing down on the sciatic nerve.
Oh. Oh.
And then we gotta adjust your pelvis.
Oh my god. Oh. I know.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay.
Wow, that was good pain.
So that's gonna promote some blood flow. And then I'm gonna pull this right here. So I'm gonna contact this ligament right here.
Okay.
Let's see. This right here. So I'm gonna contact this ligament right here.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
And then I'm just gonna check it, and then push this arm up, push up right here. It's much stronger. I know that's like a sensitive area. So like that's the safest way to help your tailbone over time.
Just to push it up?
Yeah, by the ligament. The other way, you don't want it.
Oh god.
Yeah.
I don't know what the other way is, but yeah, it was painful, but I'm sure it's doing something.
Yeah, it'll start healing much faster over time. When you add mobility and you pull it into the right direction, it heals it much faster.
Interesting.
Because if you don't contact it at all, it won't heal that fast.
Got it. Okay, that's good to know.
And then some things I'm gonna show you that you can do at home. It's gonna be a game changer.
I'm milking it. I'm on cloud 9 right now. Like, it feels so good. I think my voice just went down like half a register because I'm so relaxed.
Yeah, so this is,
Oh Lord, I think I've seen you do this to one of your patients.
yeah,
I'm
a sandwich
scared.
One time. I'm scared.
Oh my gosh. It's like a wild caught salmon.
It's like, this isn't wild caught salmon. It's like, okay,
Oh,
you've been
God.
lying to me.
I know.
I know someone
Has anyone ever like accidentally bite you?
Oh, bite
I'm
me?
scared.
I know, I caught a fish.
Oh God.
Surprisingly, I haven't. My brother has though.
Okay. I don't want to be your first
You're
person to
just like
bite.
this.
Okay. Okay. Oh no.
Okay, so I'm just gonna check your jaw and see how it's moving.
Okay.
So open your mouth. Okay, it sounds like one of those plastic action figures. She needs this bad. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh wow, God, I'm just kidding. Okay. Right here. It's tight. Go. There you go.
Wow. Oh, I feel that in my eye. Is that weird? Like I feel like, oh, that feels nice.
Wow, you're surviving
Wow,
really well.
That was so good.
Okay. You ready for the other side?
Oh, I could feel it. Like I feel an after effect. Is that what's supposed to happen?
Yeah, like if you've been in pain for a long time and you get these treatments for the first time, you're just like, I'm supposed to feel this good?
Wow, that felt so good.
Okay, so open your mouth. Right here. The other side was actually tighter, I felt like. There you go.
Whoa.
The secrets.
Oh, that felt so good.
So I'm releasing all the muscles that cause the jaw pain. So open your mouth, right there. And then close it. Open it a little bit slower. Yeah, right there. And do it again. We gotta get in here. You feel it like?
Yeah, I
Okay.
can hear it on the right.
Okay.
I can hear that. Oh, I don't know if it's blood flow, but I'm feeling like just this relaxed sensation.
Oh, wow.
Did it hurt at all? Or
It does. It's uncomfortable, but I have a pretty, I think I have a pretty high pain
do.
tolerance.
Because people are screaming.
Really? Oh my gosh, yeah, no. Whenever I get massages, I'm like, deep tissue, please.
Beat me up.
I know, it's so funny because, I go to like those old Asian women because they're the best.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, drink. So I'm like, I think I can stand your deep tissue. And so they'll be like, is that too hot? Mom, is that okay? And then, yeah, but sometimes I feel like I need it. I'm so, it's the Filipino thing. I'm tense. So.
Okay, we're gonna laser it real quick, okay?
Oh my
Get these
gosh.
sunglasses on.
Am I going to still have eyebrows?
We're lasering that off too.
You're such a new woman, like no eyebrows. Okay, so this is gonna put enough energy to help heal the inside, like in your jaw.
Okay.
But jaw, it takes time, but it might actually work much better and heal faster because healing takes time. But we're gonna use this. We're like, what is happening right now?
I know.
I actually bought this for me, but
Because of your jaw issues.
yeah. But my
This
jaw
is so
feels
high-tech.
much more amazing. But in the past, it was so stuck. Okay, let's
Oh my
see.
goodness.
Right. All right, so this is gonna recover your whole entire jaw. Okay, and then I'm gonna just release some things. Okay, Amber, you can put the camera right in front of her face. Okay, I'm gonna get up in here.
Make me lose my mind. Oh, that feels so nice. I might just like fall asleep.
It's like
I
all
know.
the snot flying out her nose.
Oh, right there. Oh my gosh.
Right there.
Mhm.
And then we're
Oh,
gonna,
that felt so good.
this is the part of your jaw right here too.
Oh my gosh, that feels so good. It's like a good pain.
Oh my God, what is this?
It's like a good pain that like really hurts, but I like it. It's so bad, but It's so
Yeah.
good. Oh, wow, that's nice. That's all part of the jaw too?
Yeah, right here. But you
Oh,
can-
it hurts, but it's so...
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
And then right here. She needed this forever.
Mm-hmm.
I'm reconstructing her whole mouth.
Pretty much. I'm like zen. Well, he's like,
Like psycho.
I know, I'm like,
She has no idea what's happening.
that was so nice. You know, I would pay to just get that kind of massage. That felt so good.
Yeah, my torture massage.
Yeah, like just a jaw massage. Why don't they have that? Like they have reflex, they have foot massages, but damn,
Yeah.
that felt so good.
It's wild because like jaw pain is so common, but it's not like a common treatment to just do.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it's so true. It should be.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I like.
Normalize jaw treatments, guys. Jaw treatments matter.
Yeah, I know. It's wild. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so we just did a TMJ thing. That actually, you should actually feel much better.
I do.
And just know that what causes, well, you sing a lot, that's okay. But what else can cause jaw pain is if you're thinking a lot and you're clenching your teeth at night, and that's another common thing.
I do clench my teeth at night.
Yeah.
I used to wear a night guard when I had like Invisalign.
Yeah.
That was helpful, but then I would like kind of like.
I did the same thing.
Oh yeah.
Because I was super stressed out when I was living in San Francisco.
Yeah.
I bit mine in half. And I just
Yep. It happens.
told my mom, like, can I just stick this together? She's like, no.
You have to, because then your teeth are gonna start adjusting that way. That's so funny.
Okay.
Oh man.
Okay, we're doing a lot of cool stuff.
Whoa.
Okay. So we're gonna pull your head off and we're gonna check your emotions.
Sounds great. I'm all for it.
All right.
How did us pulling your head off make you feel? That's what we're gonna do. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
someone's wig flew off. I was like,
Oh my.
caught it. I'm just kidding.
Oh man, I've seen this in your channel, so I'm excited.
So this decompresses your discs.
Oh my gosh.
So it's gonna help with this area.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to.
Motion's out.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. C3. See you later. I'm just kidding. Okay. Deep breath. Out.
Oh, yeah. Wow! Holy cow. That was amazing. I needed that.
Yeah.
I needed that.
my
Oh my
God.
gosh, I just want to.
Let it out.
Wow, that was amazing. I legit, I'm trying not to cry.
Let it out.
I-
girl.
Oh my gosh, do people cry after that?
They do.
Okay, cause I'm not gonna, cause.
Okay.
But I
Whatever you want.
feel like I can. Oh
I cry sometimes, too.
shoot! Wow, that just felt so good.
God.
Oh wow. Sorry. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I legit. Thank you. That was so necessary. Oh,
Yeah, that's the most important one.
wow.
Let's see.
That felt so good.
Yeah.
Oh,
This helps you get out of fight or flight when you get this adjusted.
oh my gosh.
Stimulates rest and digest mode. Imagine if that is never activated, your gut is not gonna recover.
That's so awesome.
It's like much more relaxed over here.
I feel much more relaxed.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was so nice.
Gotta open this up right here. What's in there? Okay, you know all the pressure's out here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think neck, the whole area is like, yeah, okay.
I knew it. See?
And you know those nerves that are in your upper neck, it's your parasympathetic nerve that helps you get out of fight or flight
Okay.
and blood pressure. So we gotta open it up.
Okay, let's do it.
Can I get open? Okay, so here we go. It's like both sides. It's like out.
Is it
up here.
really? Gosh, you just can know from one touch of my neck.
Yeah, I have like these magic hand like.
I
Oh,
know.
what's over here? And I was- All
Holy cow. Okay, good night, guys. That was amazing. Oh, I feel different.
Whole new woman.
Oh my God, I never had that adjusted ever in my life.
What?
Yeah,
Like,
no.
even to a chiropractor.
They never adjusted my neck like that.
Really?
No, yeah. It's
It's
always been
actually
like my back, like
Oh, yeah?
always like face down.
Okay, got it. Makes sense. This is the most important part, actually. It regulates your emotions and it balances your body when you walk.
Oh, wow.
But relax. Okay, so I'm just gonna stretch you out a little bit. I'm gonna open you up. Okay. All right, here we go. Take a deep breath. Let out.
Woo! Yeah. Holy cow! That was. Oh, sorry. I have a mic right here. I was really loud. That was amazing. Oh, I want to go again. Whoa! I just heard like my whole center back all the way up to my neck to, I don't know, my brain, my skull. I don't know. I'm just like, I feel so, oh, that was great. Wow. I've never been adjusted like that.
Oh my
Guys, this was amazing.
Glad.
I feel like my neck is longer, way longer. Like I feel like my head in proximity to my chest. It's like, oh, I'm up here.
It's a whole new woman.
I'm every woman.
Chelsea
Holy
right
cow. I know. I'm like 5'10" now.
now.
In Filipino height.
Not even that tall.
That's so amazing.
Okay, let's check the tone. It's like getting softer as we do this. Like it definitely is.
Oh.
So your body is gonna, your tone changes based on how you're healing. All right, so we're gonna check your emotions. I'm gonna guess an emotional word just well back.
Really
Yeah.
so many dimensions to it.
Yeah, I know. Like I used to be a traditional chiropractor, and then I had all these problems, and then I learned all the treatments based on my body, and now I work on everything.
That makes sense.
Like chemical, emotional, physical. Like if you understand your own body, you'll heal.
Yeah.
Because if you only do one thing, there's always something missing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna lay back. Okay. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So these are at different frequencies. So like the amount of energy it puts on every part of your body is different. So like this is gonna be specifically for your brain.
Okay.
So they did all these studies that this works amazing for your brain.
Okay.
They even did it on mice.
Uh-huh.
One of the studies, and all the mice had brain cancer. If they shined a little handheld laser on their brains, it disappeared.
What?
Yeah, but they're still doing it on humans because humans way bigger.
Yeah.
But they got positive effects for Alzheimer's patients with this and all these brain conditions. So that's why like you can use it for just brain health in general.
Yeah.
So there's like a ton of papers on it.
And so this is if like someone's lacking the mercury you're talking about, this will be beneficial for them.
So, well, you don't want mercury, but
I'm sorry, has more mercury. Oh wait, no.
So you need the nutrition. So like.
I think you're thinking about magnesium.
Oh, magnesium. That's what.
Okay, so the nutrition, you're gonna have to, the best way to get it is through your gut by eating it, but what this does, it directly is gonna reduce inflammation and promote blood, and it promotes new neurons, actually. It's the most non-invasive like treatment you can get for your brain, basically.
Got it, okay.
So you can like learn something under it too, but we're gonna use it for your emotions.
Oh, this is motions, that's right.
Okay, let's see.
So I have to think of love, right? Love.
Let me turn this on. Oh, so the light it has wet. Okay.
Okay.
So that's your word is love. Oh, what was Chelsea's word? I forgot.
Was it love?
Hers is, so her secondary word was love. Her first word was like generosity or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
That
generosity.
makes sense.
Yeah.
She overextends.
Yeah, that one.
Don't put that on there.
Yeah, don't worry. We don't put the emotional stuff on there, don't worry.
Okay.
It was so funny when we were doing this.
Off the record.
Yeah.
Yeah. But her secondary word was like love, but the main one, because we tested multiple times, was like generosity. It was like the main one for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so on point for her too, because she
Yeah.
She doesn't know how to say no. She overextends. She does too much for everyone.
Yeah, I know. It's so nice.
Yeah, a little too nice, girl. I mean,
Yeah, I was like, girl, you're coming a little. Just kidding.
that is love. Oh my gosh.
But she brought good energy, and it was pretty funny.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, so for about 5 minutes, you're gonna concentrate on that word love. When you think about it while getting later, it's gonna stimulate that part of your brain. So just draw an image of why does that word affect you? Like why is your body getting weak when I say that word? And then once you completed drawing an image of it, you're just gonna do positive affirmations, what you love about yourself and what you love about your life, because that reconstructs your brain physically actually, so that's important. So just relax, 5 minutes. This is relaxation time. I was making Chelsea laugh the whole entire time she was doing this. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna just shut up. Just ruining this experience for her. Okay, so I have 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is it relaxing?
I started to feel like my head started getting really heavy, almost like a
Okay.
lot of energy.
Yeah.
I was inundated with just a lot of energy.
Yeah.
But it felt good. Yeah, it felt very meditative.
Yeah, that's good.
I went through this whole journey of like, it is self-love. Yeah, self-love is like something that's triggering for whatever reason.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I know, isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
It's like very deep. I can even check it now.
Yeah.
Like, let's see if you stimulate it enough. So push over here. Hard as you can. Love. Love, 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 love. So you understood that word really well. Sometimes it's confusing because people just they don't take time to think about.
But it felt good. Yeah, it felt very meditative. I went through this whole journey of like, it is self-love. Yeah, self-love is like something that's triggering for whatever reason.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I know, isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
It's like very deep. I can even check it now.
Yeah.
Like, let's see if you stimulate it enough. So push over here. Hard as you can. Love. Love, 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 love. So you understood that word really well. Yeah.
Your body and where you are, like you don't get that anywhere else. At least I've never experienced anything like this before. So this is awesome. I'm still kind of like, I'm still absorbing what I just kind of experienced in that whole meditation of self-love and self-reflection. And I guess I haven't been really checking in with like really my inner self, which is something that needs to be acknowledged. So I'm feeling really good right now.
I'm glad. I know you needed that hug earlier.
I did. I needed all that. The hug, the punch, the everything. The pull.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
I'm glad. I'll give you a real hug. I need to give you some more energy.
That was so cool. Oh man, this is amazing. I'm feeling parts of my back that I've never felt. Like I'm feeling
Back?
like, I'm feeling it, especially in the upper part. I know.
Like
I'm feeling
choreo.
what's going on here? Just kidding. What's happening? Oh man, that was so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel so good. I feel refreshed. I want everyone I know to try this. Like, I know. Oh my gosh. There's only one of you. You need more of you guys.
I know.
Y'all, I just got out of a session with Dr. Donovan at Full Function. I feel like